Good day to you all. My name is Lemkin Lawrence. Today I would like to show you a presentation about awareness of the students to help eliminate sexually transmitted diseases or STD. So what is STD? STD are caused by sexually transmitted infections or STI. They are spread mainly by sexual contact. STI or sexually transmitted infections are caused by bacteria, viruses, or parasites. A sexually transmitted infection may pass from person in blood, semen, or vaginal and other bodily fluids. STD is important to us students so we can protect ourselves by following these choices. Number 1. Avoid sex or sexual activity. Number 2. Stay with one uninfected partner. Number 3. Wait and test. 4. Get vaccinated. 5. Use condoms and dental dams consistently and correctly. 6. Don't drink alcohol excessively or use illegal drugs. And last, talk to your partner. Here are some ways to raise awareness among students to help eliminate sexually transmitted diseases. Number 1. Comprehensive sex education. Provide age-appropriate, medically accurate sex education programs in schools that cover topics like anatomy, safe sex practices, STD prevention, and healthy relationships. Number 2. Accessible testing and treatment. Ensure students have easy access to confidential STD testing and treatment services, either on campus or through referrals to local clinics. Number 3. Promote healthy relationships. Encourage discussion around building healthy, respectful, and consensual relationships, as this can help reduce risky sexual behaviors. And last is collaborate with health providers. Work closely with local healthcare providers to ensure students have access to affordable, youth-friendly STD services and resources. That's all, everyone. Thank you for watching and listening to my video. That's all. Thank you.